Today unboxing is a little bit special. It's the Tomica complimentary shareholder sets, which are distributed to individuals who has purchased shares from Takara Tomy. I wish I'm one of the shareholders, but I do not own a single Tomica shares. It comes in a white outer box mailed to the shareholders. The address label has been removed. And now here's the fabulous two car sets, consisting of the GR Supra and also the Honda Civic, which I get to complete my collection. These two car sets are issued to shareholders who host 100 to 999 shares from Takara Tomy. And if you own 1,000 shares or more, you get our 4 car sets. This shareholder series was started in 98 and carry on till now. They are not for sales item, which you can see from the 3 characters here, and you can't see any barcode. The 2 castings are enclosed in the blister. When it comes to Tomica blister, I'm very cautious. I have past experience while the blister is too tight and it will damage the paint while I try to pull it out from the blister. Thankfully, this is okay. Let's start with the Toyota GR Supra. This GR Supra is now a big deal for Toyota and a lot of car makers. Many makers has been doing the GR Supra, such as the Kyosho, Hobby Japan, and so on. Very beautiful body color in spotty yellow. You can see the 2 Japanese characters here. Pingchen in Chinese also stands for Heisei era. It's a shame that the front and rear lights are painted. If not, this will be a fantastic casting. On the other side, you can also see the 2 Japanese characters. Linghe in Chinese, which also stands for Reiwa era, which is the present. Just like the main line, no opening features except for the standard factory suspension. The GR Supra was also selected by Toyota to be an event casting for Tomica 50th anniversary, which will be released on the Tokyo Toy Show in June. I got these shareholder sets to keep up with my Type R collection. First impression, I really like the body color in grey, and it also comes in pearl finish, which makes it look very premium. Although no opening parts, this Type R is very close to the real thing for a mainline. I think it's very well executed. It's totally the same as the other variant except for a difference in body color and also delivery. Tomica will also release another Type R next month, which is the Tomica Shop exclusive, and also the 50th anniversary event design, which will be released in the Osaka Tomica Fair in April. Hopefully, I can complete the Type R collection. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!